going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our way. Well, I say we because it's just me in the car. So I'm on the way to a car show. I'm 20 minutes away. So hopefully we can get some good cars to film for you guys, or I can get some good footage for you guys. Damn, I feel like I haven't really vlogged like this in a while. Like, I don't really make enough videos to feel comfortable just vlogging and talking to you guys. But we have a new mic, we have a new camera, which means more videos. Like, I have to force myself to make videos like when I go to these events, because I can't be installing parts in every single video. So installing parts is a little bit easier for me, like making a video. It does take more time when I do the work, because I have to, you know, make sure I get the right angle and kind of rotate things and maybe redo it if I don't get the right footage. So hopefully we can get some nice footage out there of some nice cars. And not sure where this video is going. It's just kind of like a random for you guys. I want to bring you guys into my little life routine that doesn't involve installing car parts. So, man, I hope they got a bathroom I can use, because I really gotta go. We got a RX-7 Mark V Supra over here. Tandem kit, carbon. Pretty stock, but pretty clean. Crazy Supra.
Original color is black, yes. And that's one thing I
Seats
tell
are
people,
crazy.
If you ever wrap your car, you need to think about
Interior
what
looks
color it
really
is,
good.
because
Look, we got Z3 over here, and we got the Jetta, like a replica of the Fast and the Furious, and we got a Civic Type R here. You don't really see these too often. A lot of people are importing GTRs and whatnot, but people forget about like the Evos, the Civic Type Rs, and Tegras. Pretty cool to see. We got the Jetta. Huge wing on this Z3. It's probably a track car. It's gotta be. There's no way it's a street car. Yep. This is cool though. Would you guys want to see something like this on the channel? A Z3? I'm a small guy, so I feel like the Z3 works for me. But I would do like a stance build, obviously. Or, I don't know, maybe a track car would be pretty cool on this. It's kind of like driving a Miata. We got here E46 turbo. Is it turbo? Yeah. This is what I want to do with the 330 boosted. It's dope. So here we have another Z3. This is exactly what I would do a hard top. So what do you guys think? Should I do this? Bring a Z3 on the channel? I like the fitment. Actually, this is pretty cool. A midi fitment. It's sick. I like it. Dang, I haven't seen this Jetta in forever. It's crazy. Viper. Yeah, I guess I should have gotten here earlier. So, Mark IV Supra, R8, Skyline. This is pretty clean. It's a cool 4-door bill. This is sick. I like that it sits low, because a lot of the Supras these days, you don't see them with a nice stance. Right hand drive too. Alright guys, so I just left the show, and there wasn't a lot of cars that I figured that you guys might want to look at. There was a nice variety of them, but I really don't know a lot about the classics, so I wasn't even gonna try. And certain cars just don't really appeal to me. But anyways, I stopped at this building down the road. Figured I'd be able to get some nice shots. I saw that the parking lot was nice and clean, so it's a fairly new building. Obviously you can see the tire marks right now, but I should be able to get some nice pictures with the black garage door, the white floor, and the color of the car just pops. I might move the car a little bit more to the right so I can get away from the trash can. But yeah, super happy with this car. Alright guys, we are on our way to another show. This is the next day. Yesterday didn't really get a lot of content. There wasn't much to film. But right now I'm on the way with Joy to a show in Charlotte. Last minute, the show is probably going to be over by 4:30. It's supposed to be over till 5, but most people tend to leave like 30 minutes before. So hopefully we can see some cars. If not, at least I'll be able to get some rollers of Joe's car. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, y'all got two.
Yeah.
And they match. Alright, so we ended up showing up late and there's not a lot of cars left. I think a lot of them ended up leaving. Even though they're doing awards, they didn't feel like staying. So this is pretty much what we got. I've seen these in Winston. Got Vince.
My cheeky eyes can't see.
Love the setup. Got an Evo 4 over there. Looks a little rough, but hey, it's an Evo 4. I'm surprised a lot of people don't like these cars. I don't know why. This one's clean too. Tiger. Oh, look, this one too. Del Sol.